How to start a side hustle without quitting your job. Think you need to quit your job to start a side hustle? Nope. You just need the right strategy, smart time management, and this video. Balancing a full-time job and a side hustle? Yes, it's possible, and no, you won't go insane. I'll show you exactly how to make money on the side without burning out. Section 1. Why start a side hustle? Let's be real, one income stream isn't enough anymore. Side hustles give you extra cash, freedom, and a safety net. Plus, you can turn your passion into profit. So yes, it's worth it. Section 2. Best side hustles for busy people. Not all side hustles require 8 hours a day. Try freelancing, selling digital products, or affiliate marketing, print on demand, blogging, YouTube, even renting out stuff you already own. Low time, high potential. Section 3. Find time without losing sleep. You don't need 5 hours a day, just one focused hour, before or after work. Use your weekends smartly. And please, ditch the Netflix binge. Section 4. Avoid burnout, stay balanced. Side hustling isn't worth it if you're exhausted 24/7. Set boundaries. Prioritize rest. Take breaks on purpose. Balance is the secret sauce. Section 5. Set goals, track progress. Don't just wing it. Set clear income goals and weekly targets. Track everything, income, hours, wins. It keeps you motivated and moving forward. Section 6. Build, then scale. Start small, stay consistent, then start outsourcing. Automate. The goal? Build passive income that runs while you sleep. You don't need to quit your job to build your dream life. You just need a plan and the courage to start. Let's build that side hustle. You've got this. Liked this video? Then hit subscribe, give it a like, and drop your side hustle idea in the comments. I want to hear it.